All right, so Birdie Beam sent us this rangefinder. We are going to do an unboxing here with what they sent us. They have a nice little card here, and they include with that rangefinder, and have a golf towel. Look at that, guys. Come on now. And they even have, what's this? It's like a golf cleaner. All right, check it out. Yeah, so it's got the retractable lanyard that you can clip onto your golf bag, Birdie Beam. Fill it with water, and then slide out the club cleaner. That's a nice touch. All right, but here it is, the laser finder, the G888 Birdie Beam Golf Rangefinder. So let's see what's in this box here. And I'll have to take this out to the range tomorrow and give you a look on the range, but there it is. Okay, so you have our user manual. Looks like it's the USB to USB-C charging cable. What else do we have here? We have, oh, that's appears to be a magnet. Yep, magnet clip. Nice. And then the Birdie Beam rangefinder itself. So let's that's cool. Look at this. It's got like a quick detach bungee on it. So when you're using it on the course and you want to throw it back within the case itself without zipping, you could just pop it like that. Nice. That's a nice feature. All right, so let's open this up. Okay, so it doesn't open up too large. See that? It's got the elastic bands on both sides. And then the launch monitor itself. Let's check this thing out. All right, so we're going to open it up. And here we go. So there it is, guys. The Birdie Beam Golf Rangefinder. And it's really a rangefinder. You know, you could use it for anything. But yes, designed especially for golf, and we'll talk more about you know, its features and capabilities when we take it out on the range tomorrow. But there we go. Nice little setup. It comes with the golf club cleaner, as it were, and a golf towel, all from Birdie Beam, as an addition to the golf rangefinder that you get from the company. So go grab yourself one today, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. And we're going to put this thing through the paces tomorrow.